Imagine waking up one morning to see Bitcoin, yes, that internet money people joked about, now more valuable than Amazon, the tech giant. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it just happened. And if you think this is just a lucky jump, hold on, because what you are about to hear will blow your mind. In this video, I'm going to break down why Bitcoin just exploded in value, what is really behind this crazy price jump, and most importantly, what it means for the future in the year 2025. And I promise this is not another hyped up jargony crypto video. This is deeply researched, super simple, and full of real logic. Stay with me till the end because you will not find this kind of breakdown anywhere else, not even from those so-called finance gurus. Let us break it down like a story. You go to your local vegetable market. Suddenly, everyone wants mangoes. But there are only 100 mangoes available. So what happens? The price goes up. That is exactly what is happening with Bitcoin. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. And now, more and more big players, I am talking about trillion-dollar investment firms, trying to grab as many Bitcoins as they can. Why now? Because for the first time in history, governments in countries like the United States allowed people to invest in Bitcoin using something called exchange-traded funds. Think of exchange-traded funds like baskets that people can buy easily, just like mutual funds. But instead of stocks, these baskets have Bitcoin inside them. So suddenly, thousands of crores or billions of United States dollars are being poured into Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. It is like a water tank filling up so fast, it is overflowing. That is what pushed Bitcoin's price to jump to over 111,000 United States dollars, its highest ever. Now, here is some logic you do not hear often. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through something called a halving. Basically, it is like reducing the number of new mangoes coming into the market. Fewer new Bitcoin are being created now. At the same time, demand is going up. Big companies, retirement funds, and even governments are now looking at Bitcoin like digital gold. They are treating it as a safe place to park money, especially when the normal banking system and currencies look shaky. Let us look at why the year 2025 is becoming a dream year for Bitcoin. First, the rules are becoming clearer. Earlier, there was a lot of fear. Will the government ban Bitcoin? Will it get taxed heavily? But now, the rules are getting better. In the United States, they are finally making official rules for things like stablecoins and crypto companies. This gives investors more confidence. Second, inflation. All around the world, prices of things are going up. And people are realizing that their money is losing value. So, they are buying assets that do not lose value, like gold or now Bitcoin. Third, tech companies are jumping in. Coinbase, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, just became part of the S&P 500 index. Basically, the VIP club of companies. Even companies like BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, now hold huge amounts of Bitcoin for their clients. Okay, so what is next? Analysts believe Bitcoin is now entering something called price discovery. That means no one knows what the real limit is anymore. It is like launching a rocket and realizing the sky is not the limit. Some experts say Bitcoin can cross 150,000 United States dollars or even 200,000 United States dollars in the year 2025. But here is the catch. It will not go up in a straight line. There will be dips, crashes, and emotional panic. But the long-term trend? More adoption, more clarity, and more people joining the system. If the big funds continue buying, the price will keep climbing over time. Let me end with a simple message. Bitcoin is no longer just internet money. It is becoming a digital store of value, a serious competitor to gold. But please remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any investment, Bitcoin needs research, patience, and emotional control. So the next time someone says Bitcoin is a bubble, show them this video, because now you understand the real logic. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, share, and drop a comment. Tell me, do you think Bitcoin can reach 200,000 United States dollars this year? Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep questioning the hype. For more such breakdowns, including deep dives on how inflation affects investments or how exchange traded funds actually work, check out my other videos. Links are in the description. See you soon.